Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make Ada dish. Step 1. Making the filling. First take a saucepan to melt the jaggery. Add 1 cup of jaggery. At a low flame, let the jaggery melt nicely. After it is melted completely, set it aside and let it cool. Then take a wok. Then add a teaspoon of ghee and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Let the coconut cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add the melted jaggery that we made before. Cook until it boils. Then add a pinch of cinnamon powder for a taste. Then cook on low flame till the mixture has reduced. After the mixture has reduced, set it aside and let it cool. Step 2. Making the dough. In a saucepan, take some water and add a teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 cup of rice flour in a bowl. Then add water as needed. Then mix it quickly. Then take a piece of the banana leaf. Then apply some ghee on your hand and spread the dough. Then place some of the filling that we made earlier. Then fold the banana leaf and seal the edges of the dough so that no filling is leaking out. Then place it in a steamer and let it steam for 5 to 10 minutes. After steaming, there will be some black spots on the banana leaf. That indicates that the food inside is cooked completely. Then open the banana leaf carefully so that the ada does not break. Thank you for watching my personal project video.